is a different elevation.
Mm-hmm.
They know that. I know.
I mean, it's on the track.
He estimated 11 feet.
I have no idea.
I can really feel the drive bars here on the tender seat kicking. It's like there's slack in the bearing.
Spot on the wheel.
Okay, that's the flat spot on the wheel then.
I can feel it going up and down.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the flat spot on the tender wheel.
Right.
Okay. From braking too hard.
Not Norm and I, the other two guys.
Oh, sure, yeah. Yeah, and if you like the show, well, my name is Norman, and this was the Main Street, the Disneyland Railway. If you didn't like the show, this was the Main Street Railway, and my name was Robbie the Horse.
Are you a photographer or that's your hobby?
Oh, no, my dad was a cinematographer, but I know a lot about it. I used to schlep his stuff.
That's your hobby.
Well, it keeps you from talking to people. Because otherwise security taps you on the shoulder and says, you've been told not to talk to people. So it's an excuse to be occupied. Because I talk too much. Well, the same reason why they won't hire me here.
Oh, they know you, huh?
Oh yeah, and I tell people when I give them the telephone number for the casting, I say if you tell them Wizard sent you, they won't hire you.
Really?
Last time I went to casting, I was watching the monitor the whole time, typed everything out just by touch. Glance at the monitor every once in a while, find out what the question was. And then they accused me of having somebody else fill it out for me because I never looked at the computer. There's a Lily